Okay, so today we're going to be making a lion. You see here, it doesn't really fit all the way, so I might have to move down my paper from time to time. But what we're going to do is we're going to write our name, number, room number on the back with pencil. And then from there, we're just going to use this bingo dauber. So, with these, take off the lid. It's just like any bingo dauber you've seen before, except instead of tapping down to get our line, we're gonna drag it. The thing with these, you can't squeeze the sides. Even if it's not coming out right away, we will get a little test sheet and get it started for you, because once it gets started, it should be all good. Okay, so the first step to making the lion is making a U shape. Now this is pretty important, because if you make the U too big, then you won't have any room for the mane. But if you make it too small, then it's going to be really hard to do the details with the bingo dauber. Okay, from there we're going to do a curvy line. And then we start making the face, and we're gonna make the nose and like kind of the eyebrows slash where the eyes are placed right there. So we start with this, what I called Squidward nose, and then we arch up these two sides. This is very similar to what it looks like in The Lion King. That's what I always think of. So then we make the eyes, but you can make your eyes completely black, like just fill them in, especially if you have it way too small. Like even I'm pretty on the small side. And then you can just decide where you want the eyes to be looking. This looks like they're looking up this way. You could try getting them be in the middle just by going around and kind of overlapping on the line. But nonetheless, something like that. And even though this is kind of the nose, we still wouldn't put the little top on there. And we do our J's to make it look like it's an animal, right? We always do the J and backwards J, kind of a fish hook look. And then we add these spots here for where like the whiskers would be in place. Kind of looks like cute freckles though, doesn't it? And then we add the ears in like La La Land. So flat line, rainbow line, flat line, rainbow line. And then we can make the mane going around from there. Okay, so just cloud lines all the way around. We can add an extra rainbow line there to color that in maybe pink later. So then we got the face. So that's all done. Now you should have about this much space for the body. If you have less than that, it's just gonna have to be really tiny, which is fine. We're first gonna make these kind of curved lines going in. Okay, and then we're gonna do rainbow line, have lines coming in, flatten this, and again. Okay, so that's kind of a tricky part. So it doesn't look finished because we need some more legs here. Just gonna make those lines there. Kind of like a half of a heart. Okay, and then all it's missing is that we need to place in its tummy, so like a little curved line there. And last but not least, the tail. Okay, so it's kind of like a leaf, and then something pointing out towards the leaf, and then that does it. We will add brown crayon for the mane. I won't go over that, but that's what you'll do, and you'll possibly cut it out and then be all done. Alright, that's it.